How do dating app algorithms use explicit preferences? Imagine you're on a dating app and you've set your preferences for age, gender, and distance. Ever wonder how those choices actually shape the matches you see? Well, let's break it down. When you first input your preferences, the app uses those as a starting point. It filters out profiles that don't match your criteria, like if you're looking for someone between 25 and 35 years old within 10 miles. These preferences act like a gatekeeper, narrowing down the pool of potential matches. But it doesn't stop there. The app also observes how you interact with profiles. If you swipe right on people with certain interests or traits, the algorithm notices that pattern. Over time, it starts suggesting more profiles that share those qualities, even if you didn't explicitly select them. Some apps also give users the option to rate how desirable they are, based on how often they get matches or messages. This desirability score can influence who gets shown to whom, making popular profiles more visible. Now, some users try to tweak their preferences to get more matches. For example, they might temporarily expand their age range or change their gender preferences to see more profiles. This can help them appear in more searches and boost their chances of matching. Interestingly, many dating apps don't strictly follow your explicit preferences. They use a method called collaborative filtering, which looks at data from other users. This means the app might suggest profiles outside your set filters if it thinks you'll like them based on your behavior and others' preferences. So, even if you say you only want to see people within a certain age or distance, the app might show you someone outside those limits if your past actions suggest you're interested. This blending of explicit preferences and learned behavior makes the matching process more dynamic and personalized. It aims to give you better matches by combining what you say you want with what you actually seem to prefer. To get the most out of it, be honest and clear when setting your preferences but stay flexible. Swiping actively and engaging with profiles helps the algorithm learn what you really like. If you overfilter, you might limit your options, but loosening some filters can open up more possibilities. Remember, the goal is to find a good match, and the app's job is to help you do that by balancing your explicit choices with what your actions reveal. So, in the end, your preferences are just the starting point. The app uses your behavior and broader data to craft a more tailored experience, making online dating a little more personal and a lot more fun.